Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Workday how to correct time off. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To correct and approve time off request in Workday, first what you need to do is head over and open up your Workday app and be sure to be logged in with the credentials. Then from your Workday homepage, click on the time off worklet. If it's not visible, click on view all apps to find it. Then within the time off worklet, click on correct my time off. Then a calendar view will appear. Locate and click on the time off request you wish to correct. Then in the correction window, you can remove a day, change the time off type, adjust the daily quantity, and add a comment. Then after making the necessary changes, click on submit. The corrected request will be sent to your manager for approval. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.